Hi, this is Ignacio with Optify and welcome to the Wufoo Integration video tutorial. Optify supports integrating your Wufoo form submissions with Optify through a system called Zapier. Zapier enables you to automate tasks between online services, connecting systems with a simple interface and a step-by-step flow. For more information, you can check out our Zapier overview video tutorial in our help and support page at help.optify.net. So what is Wufoo? Wufoo is a web application that helps build online forms. It automatically builds the database, backend, and scripts needed to make collecting and understanding your data easy. The things that you need to get started are an Optify account, plus make sure to have the Optify API token, a Zapier account, a Wufoo account, and a published Wufoo form. Once you're logged into your Zapier account, go ahead and click on the Create a Zap button. And as you can see, the first step is to pick your trigger and action for this zap. Make sure to choose the trigger service, in this case, Wufoo. The trigger will be to create a new entry. And as the action service, we will choose Optify. And make sure to select Create Form Submission as the action. Then click Continue. This will take you to the second step where you can select your specific Wufoo account. Now in this case, as you can see, I have created my own, but if you want to create a new one, go ahead and click on Connect a Different Wufoo Account, where you will be asked to put in the label for this Wufoo connection on Zapier, your Wufoo login email and password. Third step is selecting an Optify account. Again, as you can see, I have connected my own specific account, but if you want to add a different one, simply click on the Connect a Different Optify Account, where you will be asked to label this Optify connection on Zapier, insert your API token, as well as your email address. Now to access the API token, simply right-click on this link right here, open this in a new tab, and this will take you to the Optify API documentation page that you can access via our home page. Well, you will be able to retrieve your API token by simply putting in your Optify's user's email address and Optify password. Once that is done, Zapier will connect to Optify and will confirm the account is working. To test this account, you can always click on the Test This Account button, and as you'll notice, it says account is working. Continue to the fourth step, where you can filter form submissions. In other words, only trigger this new entry when this Optify test form has been submitted. Once the Optify form has been selected in this drop-down menu, you can go ahead and click Continue to step 5, where you will map the fields between Wufoo and Optify. But before we do so, you need to submit a test form. So go back to your Wufoo form and submit a test name. Make sure to use easily identifiable names and email addresses that you don't have in Optify. Then confirm in Zapier that the form was submitted, and allow Zapier a few seconds to collect the form data. Once the form data is collected, you'll be able to select those fields from this drop-down menus, and that will allow you to map the Wufoo fields to Optify. Now notice the set of fields below are required by Optify, such as the Optify site, the form name, the form URL, the email address, the IP address, and the source. We also currently support all of our standard form fields, such as first, last name, street address, city, state, postal code, country, phone, and company name. In step 6, you can test your new Zap to verify the connection between Wufoo and Optify. You can always get sample entries from Wufoo. And when the success message is received, you can go to Optify Contact Manager to verify your test form submission went through. And as stated, Optify now has the visit source, form details, page views, and URL. And last but not least, in step 7, Zapier will give your new Zap a standard name, or you can choose to customize the name here as well, allowing you to start seeing the leads flow from Wufoo to Optify. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please send them to support@optify.net.